Hey, everybody. Postman has come. Actually, he's brought two of these. So let's see what I did to my bank account. Uh, I know I ordered a magazine online. Problem is, I can't remember what else I ordered. So it's going to be a surprise to both of us as I try to get into this. Someone is very considerate of their books and how they get packed. Really considerate. Ah. Uh, this little treasure I've been wanting to read for a while now. Um, oh, forgive me. This is a book by, I guess, as well as about a man by the name of Restif de Bretonne. Now, the reason I got curious about it is because if you have a foot fetish, it's called retivism, and it was named after him. The other thing that got me really thinking that I probably need to read this, and Retief was born uh probably in the mid to late 1700s, is because he was quite a concerned patron of prostitutes in Paris. He was constantly either writing about them or trying to petition the local government to legislate their care, basically. And I figure a man who is that interested in the welfare and protecting the welfare of the ladies of the night was probably somebody that I should be reading about. So once I finish it, we're going to add it to the collection. And it is from the Collection des Ballets de Muse in Paris. So let's see what else came in here today and see if this is the magazine that I've been waiting for. Again, very well packed. Watching carefully where I'm putting my scissors. Yes, it is. Um, this is going to go into an ever increasing little section of, some argue lesbian, some argue feminist, some argue women's magazines. We're starting a little bit of a collection of the things that I remember reading in my inkling days. Chrysalis was an interesting piece. I think they only did like 10 or 12 publications. And when I was reading it in the probably very late 70s, it's the first magazine where I read the work of Audre Lorde, um, and loved it. And this one came up on my eBay feed, and not being able to resist it, I bought it. So let's see how many more of these I can acquire for the library and put in our little section of women's politics. Now, why is that kinky? Well, it could be said that politics always is, especially radical feminist politics. So I guess I'm probably going to put this right in with the same category of stuff that we have. Lucifer the Light Bearer, I have talked about that one before. Some of the work of E.C. Walker, I've talked about that before, and some of the work of Moses Harman. So if you are interested in reading about all kinds of wonderful radical politics beginning in the 1880s and rolling up pretty much to the 1980s, come on down. I'll meet you in the library.